In this video, I'll show you how to get Sound ID in Roblox Mobile. So to get started, go ahead and open roblox.com into your preferred browser. Open the Roblox website on your mobile browser and not the Roblox application on your device. Now in here, go ahead and navigate to the Audio Library tab. So click on your sidebar at the top left of your screen. Click on that back button at the left side of the Creator Hub, and that will take you into this section. Select Store from this section and then go ahead and search for that specific sound that you want to copy the sound ID of. So you can also browse the categories in here along with the recommended Roblox sound. So go ahead and select that genre or vibes or use the search bar to search for that specific song. Now, once you have found the song, go ahead and click on that song name. Under that, go ahead and click on More Info, and that will take you into this new tab. So in here, go ahead and click on this three dots icon at the right side of that bookmark icon, and you'll be able to find the option to copy the sound ID. So click on this Copy Asset ID to copy your sound ID, and that is how you can basically copy sound ID on Roblox.